Welcome to Yellowstone Bear World, just south of Rexburg, Idaho. Yellowstone Bear World is a drive-through wildlife park that features Rocky Mountain elk, white-tailed deer, bison, mule deer, Rocky Mountain goats, and of course, American black bear and grizzly bear. This unique drive-through experience allows you to get up close to dozens of free-roaming animals from the comfort of your own vehicle. While recording voiceovers for this video, my 12-year-old, who struggles with severe speech apraxia, wanted to join in the fun. So the next clip you'll hear is her telling you that she saw bears.